Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add Simply card to Apple Wallet. It's very simple things to do. The Simply Financial Cashback Visa card is a no-fee credit card that offers cashback rewards on certain purchases with a 4% cashback rate on restaurants and 1.5% cashback on groceries, cash, drug stores and pre-authorized payments. So how you can add it to your Apple Wallet? For this, first open your app library and search for wallet. Then go to wallet and then from the home screen select the plus icon here. Then select debit or credit card. Then select continue from here. Then you can tap on add card and position your debit or credit card in the frame to scan it to add it. Or you can enter the card details manually. Just tap on it, then enter your name and your card number. Then enter the expiration date. And that's it. That's how you can add your Simpli card to your Apple Wallet.